Unleash the power of geometry on your walls. Imagine walking into a room transformed by bold and dynamic shapes. From captivating triangles to mesmerizing hexagons, we've curated geometric wall paint ideas to elevate your space. Get ready to break free from the ordinary with patterns and colors that redefine your walls. Dive into a world where geometry meets creativity. Stay tuned for a visual feast that'll inspire your next paint project. Subscribe now for a geometric makeover that's anything but ordinary.
Geometric wall painting design can add a modern and visually interesting touch to any space. Here are some ideas to inspire your geometric wall painting project. Geometric accent wall. Choose one wall in a room to be a focal point. Paint large geometric shapes like triangles, squares, or hexagons in bold colors. Gradient geometrics. Create a gradient effect within geometric shapes. For example, start with a dark shade at one corner and gradually transition to a lighter shade. Diamond patterns. Paint diamonds in various sizes and colors for an elegant and dynamic look. Hexagon honeycomb. Use hexagons to create a honeycomb pattern. You can alternate colors or shades for adding depth. Tape designs. Use painter's tape to create crisp lines between geometric shapes. This method allows for clean and precise patterns. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.